Today we're having a look at a Bank of Scotland £50 from 2006. This note formed part of the Tercentenary series of notes released by Bank of Scotland from 1995 through to 2007. This note was engraved by Thomas de la Rue and was released on the 2nd of May 1995. This note features a portrait of Sir Walter Scott, the Bank of Scotland coat of arms, with the Bank of Scotland logo in gold behind. This note is signed by the Governor and Treasurer of the Bank, and this series is the last estate that the Governor and Company of the Bank of Scotland promises to pay the bearer on demand. There is a panel at the bottom celebrating the Tricentenary of the Bank, and the visual aid symbol in this note is a triangle. The security features of this note are a metallic ribbon with BOS 50 engraved into it, microprinting, a watermark of Sir Walter Scott, which is the same portrait that had been used in the previous series of Bank of Scotland notes, a see-through, and the Tricentenary notes all have a fluorescent barcode printed onto them for use in electronic sorting machines. The main colour of this note is green, which had previously been the colour of the £1 note. The £1 note was discontinued in the Tricentenary series, and it was the first time since 1732 that Bank of Scotland had not produced a £1 note. Interestingly, this is the first £50 note to be produced by Bank of Scotland in over 200 years. On the reverse of the note, there's a vignette of an orchestra representing the arts and culture of Scotland. In the bottom left, there is an engraving of the Bank of Scotland's head office on the Mount in Edinburgh, and on the right, the three coats of the Bank of Scotland, that being the Palace, which is the goddess of weaving, from the British Linen Bank, the Bank of Scotland's arms, which is a saltire with 4 coins, and the Union Bank ship. I hope you have enjoyed this look at this notable note, and if you did, click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or comments, please write them below and don't forget to subscribe.